Hey, man, we got an easy go here. I want to show you this. If you don't have this problem now, you will. On the brake pedal, the way they moved this arm over here, or they either moved the arm on this over to the right some more, or they just use cheaper metal. If you look at it, if you lock on the left side of the pedal, like if you take the pedal, if you press down on this side all the time, what happens is over time you bend this arm right here. And you can see how big the gap is here. So when I go to lock the brake down, it don't lock. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. What you want to do is take your foot, and you want to put your foot right here, and you want to press back at an angle like this. All right, let's see. Just like that. All right. Look at that. Brake locks. That easy. The only thing bad about doing this is once it bends, the metal has weakened in the spot that it bends at. All right. So all you have to remember is next time you lock it on the right side of the brake pedal. All right. But you can see it actually, because what happened, this needs a twist. So what I'm gonna do is show you another trick. I'm taking the handle off my jack. I'm gonna take it and put it on the mat and put it on my parking brake pedal. Because the reason why, because now my pedal's straight and locks. But if you look at it, I still have a big gap here. So what I need to do is I need to press this over. So what I'm gonna do is take my pry bar, my jack handle, put it behind on the mat, get some leverage, and I want to pry out on it, like that, all right? And you want to try to bend it back. If you look now, you can see now, look at the play. No more. It moves free. Let's see if it locks. Oh, you like a chick. Just like that, man. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll show y'all some more tips.